We've got a Corvette right out of my dad's personal collection. He has put together a collection of about 12 C2 Corvettes. There would be a 63 through 67, hardtop only. He absolutely loves the hardtop, so do I. They're more rare than the convertible. And he really goes after air-conditioned cars. So not only does this have factory air, but it is a loaded car. Headrest, leather, seat belt, shoulder belts, speed warning, power windows, power steering, power brakes, side pipes, wheels, red lines. It's a numbers match car throughout 427. Someone did add a factory correct tri-power. So it is a 390 horse originally. Now it's the 400 horse with the tri-power. I'll tell you all about the car. Go to volocars.com where you'll find a price tag on every car, along with a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So this is a nice car I got from a collector down in Alabama. Took me almost a year to get this car from him on behalf of my father, and it went into my father's collection. Actually, as of right now, today we're doing this video, the car's not for sale. Maybe by the time you're watching this, it will be. I'm doing the video, seeing as how the car was just serviced and detailed. It's supposed to be 56,000 miles. The fiberglass all looks to be in really good shape. It's got the Stinger hood, the headlights fit real nicely. This all looks real nice and straight. The door lines up all the way around. Shuts real nicely. I didn't quite do it hard enough. Yeah, there we go. All clean fiberglass. Look at that boat tail rear end. It's just a good looking car. One of the best designs ever. So I'm looking at the body. All this is real nice, not cracked, not damaged. All looking real good. Body's real nice. Let's see how this door does. I mean, it sure looks nice. You know, these doors are a little extra tricky because it goes right into the roof line. It's not just down here, all around. All looks really good. Here's some crack right here. Kind of looks like right where the bonding strip is. You can kind of see the bonding strip has a couple of cracks. Now the paint, it is the Marina Blue, beautiful color with the black Stinger. First 10 times I seen the car, I thought it was perfect. I'm inspecting it now. There are some flaws in the paint. It's an older paint job. I was told it was painted one time, but here's a chip that's touched up. Stripes painted nicely. Here's, boy, a hairline crack kind of right alongside the hood. It's so minor, I almost didn't mention it. Someone buffed a little hard right here. The paint's a little thin. This is all looking real nice. There's some little imperfection right along the windshield. I think they just didn't get down there in wet sand because it was close to the trim. This is all looking real good. I mean, there's minor. Here's a chip on the edge. There's a little texture here and there. Here's a little bit of hazing, crackling in the paint. Very minor. Most people will never see that. So yeah, the paint presents itself like a 10, but it's more like a 7 out of 10. A beautiful color. And then there is a scratch right here. Maybe by the time you're watching this, we'll have that touched up. So the bumpers, the chrome, all sparkle. Tail lights are nice and smooth. All that looks really sharp. Correct antenna. Original rear glass, you know, some light scratches. The trim is all shiny and fits real nice. Door handles are shiny, but they got a little bit of freckling. Side glass also has some light scratches in it. Has the bow tie mirror. Windshield looks real nice and clear. The trim is real nice and fits real good. Up front here, the chrome, probably a 9 out of 10. Just some very minor, I don't even know why I called it a 9. They practically look new. You can see the headlights fit real nicely. So they're reproduction. They're called the bolt-on aluminum wheels in really nice shape. And those are radial red lines just installed by the previous owner. Factory side pipes. They sound great. Got a bow tie mirror on this side as well. Some light scratches down here in the windshield. It might be the original windshield. It has the original markings. I didn't decode the dates on it, but might be the original windshield. So the outside of the car is looking really good. I got a lot more. We're just getting started. I got a lot more to show you inside the car. All right, so there's no trunk to show you, but take a second and just look at how nice the lines are on this car. Jaguar had their XKE at the time that it was raved about. I think this is sharper. You can text the word new to 844-592-2431, and you'll be notified as new arrivals are posted. So the door jambs are very tidy. The weather strips overall very good. A little bit of tattering on the edges on this side. Door panels look to be in excellent shape, and same with the hardware and trim. The little window cranks for the vent windows, the big windows, are power. So all this is really nice. That's the speed warning indicator. When you can put it where you want, it'll buzz when you hit that speed. 56,900 miles, I'm told is original. It's believable, but I don't know for a fact. Dash pad, real nice. Factory air car, so it has the built-in vent and the extra knobs. Clock is updated to quartz. Factory AM FM radio. Nice clean glove box door. This is our inspection sheet, and let me tell you, it got inspected extra closely for my father. Spent about $1,800 on it, new brakes, front end alignment, charged the air with R12. It's part of the factory air conditioning duct work. The interior light works. Carpet front to back is real nice. I'm sitting on genuine leather upholstery. That's how it was ordered, with leather. Center console with the right shifter. Power window switches are right here. You have the e-brake. This is all real nice. Leather armrest, correct seat belts. Yeah, again, this is all leather. I love the leather upholstery, nice and firm. Leather headrest. Headrest in 67, that would be an option, a pretty rare option. I gotta figure out how to flip the seat forward. I know there's a lever somewhere. Here we go. It's all in real nice shape. Now you'll see extra seat belts in the back. These are shoulder belts, also another fairly rare option. All the carpet in the back fits real nicely. Oh, these seat belts go right in here in the holder. Pretty cool. Let's see what we got underneath here. Oh, there's the jack assembly. And the seat belt I just dropped in there. I'll straighten all this out in a second. I can also see there's some Dynamat under the carpet, so it's got sound deadener. All the trim's real nice. The dome light works. Headliner looks to be in great shape. Visors look to be real nice. Has a nice 3-spoke steering wheel. So really nice, clean, unmolested, well sorted out interior. I told you he has 12. He might be up to like 14 of these, and he has told me this is his favorite. And no, you won't hear me say that on every other one as well, but this one is his favorite. So this is a numbers match 427, 390 horsepower engine. Dates, codes, casting numbers all look good. They've added a factory tri-power setup, making it the 400 horsepower. Those were all completely restored. They run spot on. We had the complete ignition shielding with the braided spark plug wires, correct valve covers. Power brakes is an option. Power steering is hiding down there. Correct hoses, radiator, clamps, fan. I mean, all that looks proper, correct. It's a factory air conditioning system that is working as of right now, cold air. Everything's just looking really good. The battery gets moved to the other side for air-conditioned cars. So underneath is exceptionally clean on this one too. The fiberglass floors look to be in real good shape. It has the spare tire carrier. The frame is all clean and solid. It does look like all the steering and suspension, front and back, has been restored. It's independent suspension in back. They all were. And they all had disc brakes. 67 was the first year where the e-brake handle went in the middle. Otherwise, it was a lever under the dash. This is the last year for this body style. Considered by most to be the most desirable other than the split window. But 67 is the most desirable year. Now my father collected these Vettes. It was based on colors, options were a big one, and it had to be a coupe. He really looked at a lot of cars to get the collection that he has. Numbers match motor, numbers match Muncie 4-speed. Original rear end, it's a 308 Posse, dated for this car. So this is a winner, folks. This is an excellent car. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your garage, how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.